If your bosses make you relocate so far that you're thinking about looking for another job, don't just quit just yet, because you might have a case of constructive dismissal on your hands, which is a fancy way of saying that you get to call the employer out on causing a breakup and demanding a severance package. So there's a few things you want to look for to make this case. First is you have to make sure you haven't actually agreed to relocations in your contract. Second, there's a Court of Appeal case that said that being forced to move from a local job to having to make a 3-hour round trip commute, so 1.5 hours each way, is a constructive dismissal. Now let's say you don't actually have to commute that much further, but the mode of transportation changes. So let's say you go from public transport to having a car. That can add a significant amount of expense. So calculate the cost of wear and tear, gas, insurance, lease payments, all of that prorated to actually going to and from work, and see if that works out to anywhere from 20% or more of your total pay. That could also be a constructive dismissal.